great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kea with Kea Bee.
And this is Tech Guy from the Hive.
And we are wrapping up unboxing week. This is the Creative Notions Quilt Shop box. And y'all, she like shipped it in a box this time.
Not a bag.
And not a bag. And this is a beautiful, beautiful box. I love it. It's got these really cute little daisies all around it with her signature camper on the front. And I was just looking at the older box, and this is just so cute. I absolutely love this. This box, her prices have changed. This box is $39.95 a month, okay, which is a phenomenal value even at that. You get like 8 fat quarters in each box, somewhere around there. You get a charm for a bracelet or a pendant.
That's right.
Yes, and so you're getting that Pin Peddler charm every time. Right. After 6 months, you are either getting the bracelet or the charm. It's the pin itself to hang all your charms off of. I've got all of mine ready to go because I think in this box is going to be my bracelet. She sent us a postcard a few months ago and said, what would you like to have in your 6-month box? And I said a bracelet on camera. And I know she commented below our video and said, I will be sure to send you a bracelet. So I think that's in this box. I have my charms like all ready to go. I'm so excited about it. And then there's always notions. There might be a pattern. I mean, some really fun stuff. So Vicky puts a lot of hard work into this. We are so excited to partner with her and do this box on our unboxing week. So without further ado,
I think the cool thing about this one is it's like more of a custom.
It is. Like, yeah, she's a small quilt shop. She's
trying to custom to her subscribers, which is pretty awesome for a small quilt shop. That's it's pretty cool. I like this box
she
a
loves
lot.
to hear feedback. So again, comment down below. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's open up this box and see all of our charms on our wonderful, hopefully new bracelet. All right, let's get open our Creative Notions box, making memories one stitch at a time.
Do you think this is her final form of the box? I know she was trying a couple different things.
I don't know. Oh my, did you peek?
No, I don't peek.
Okay.
Y'all know I don't peek. My God.
Okay. So I don't know. I haven't asked her. Like, I'm not sure if this is the box or not. But this is pretty cool. She's been sending them in bags because it was a cheaper way to ship. But the box is really neat. This is the very first box that we got.
Right.
So that was the very first month. And I loved this box.
I liked seeing the transformation of
I love it.
Like
look where she's come from. Still the same logo. And still, obviously, like all
bigger
that.
Boxes, that means there's more stuff.
Right? It's a bigger box.
I'm down.
So I don't know, maybe she worked out a shipping deal or something to where she could get it for cheaper. We'll just have to see what comes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get into this box. On top here, we have Grandma's Apron. Y'all, here's something you don't know about me. I can't read these things. I will cry 100%. I will make it to the second line of whatever this says and I will start crying. So I'm going to let you read that on your own. But it's called Grandma's Apron. It looks like a really cute either poem or explanation of what's going on there. But y'all,
maybe inspiration of the box.
I am weak. I cannot read stuff. I can't read cards either. I'll cry at every single card. Every single card. Kimberly at Fat Quarter Shop sent us a card and I started crying like I read 3 seconds of what she said and it was just something encouraging. I cry all the time. Okay, February, welcome to Creative Notion subscription box. It has been 6 months since we started our subscription box. We have learned so much about our favorite, but our favorite thing is the friendships that we have made along the way. We have found that you are wonderful people and appreciate that you as friends as well as customers. If you have been with us since the beginning, you will find a charm holder in your box this month. If it hasn't been 6 months, hang in there and you will earn the charm holder too. So she's also encouraging you to post a picture to Instagram or Facebook and tag Creative Notions Quilt Shop for a chance to win a Fat Quarter bundle every month.
Wow.
That's awesome. Refer a friend and you get a free subscription box.
Am I your friend?
No. But this box is $39.95 a month. So if you refer a friend and they sign up to get a box, you're getting another box for free. 40 bucks.
If you add social media,
which is awesome. Okay, I don't want to look at this side because it tells you what's in the box. But guys, really, look at that. I'm not even sure if that's really in focus, but look at like that beautiful like watercolor. And this matches it. Like, y'all, she really stepped up her game this month.
She was on point.
She is on point. Oh my goodness. look, this is a Cricut thing. I know this is a Cricut thing because I've made these exact aprons before. Oh, Vicky has my heart. Like, one of my secret loves other than quilting is Cricut. And I say secret because I don't share it on YouTube a lot. But guys, like, look at that apron. I bet that's why we have an explanation of that grandma's apron. And it's like in this plastic. Her packaging is amazing this time. Oh my goodness, I am hyped.
But it's also nice to see the progression too. Like,
yes. Okay, I'm not gonna open this yet. I'm just gonna set it to the side because I want to pull everything out and then we'll go through it. Look at the fabric. Oh, I see Easter bunnies. I'm just gonna say that. Okay, and there's something inside here. So we'll wait to open that. And then, what is this? Creative Notions Quilt Shop double-sided half apron, fat quarter friendly. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Guys, can you see that apron? Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, that's the bottom of our box. So let's open everything now.
A lot in a little box.
There's a ton in a little box. All right, let's open this guy first. I bet this is our bracelet.
Your bracelet?
Yeah, mine. You're not going to wear it. People at work would probably not love that. Okay.
Oh, I like the confetti.
Ooh, yeah, little party confetti here. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, that's probably rustling so loud in the mic. Oh, so pretty. So it's just a chain, and all of our charms are 100% going to hang off of that. Oh, I'm so excited. So if you have not been a subscriber for 6 months yet, just wait. Yours is coming. Okay, so we've got that. And look at this packaging. You guys, she takes so much time. Like, she sat and personalized this to us because she knew we wanted the bracelet. Like,
we told her.
Yes. If, like, our next door neighbor wanted a pin, she would have, like, personalized the pin and sat and wrapped everything.
Very sweet.
That's amazing. Okay, so that is that. I will do the fabric last. Let's open this little guy right here.
A lot going on in there.
I know it. Okay, I see our pin already. Look at that. It is a quilt block. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to open it right now and have you... Oh, you know what? I'm going to need... So for the bracelet, you're going to need...
Tires.
Yeah, to put it on, you need... Because it's got jump rings.
Mm-hmm.
So this would just hang right off of there.
How cute is that?
That is adorable. Okay, I'm setting that to the side. All right, what's this? FriXion Pin Erasable. Oh my goodness. There is so much controversy over whether you can use these on fabric. Y'all, if it makes you happy, use it. Don't judge anybody else for using them. I use them all the time. Seriously. It's fine. My quilt is not going out in the snow. It's fine, guys. So, we've got a purple FriXion pin. I'm just going off on my own tangent.
That was a...
Oh, Hershey's milk chocolate. Yum. All right. What's this? Jumbo Rick Rack. So cute. Oh, to go on our apron.
The half apron.
An embellishment for our half apron.
Got it.
All right, what else is in here? Some more confetti. And a cute roll of washi tape. This will go my quilter's planner so well. Awesome. And this, like, adorable, I, like, want to use this.
You'll find a way.
I know. My hoarder self, I want to use this. Okay, let's put all of our confetti back in here. I'm just going to scoot all the rest of this stuff to the side. And we're going to open our fabric super
quick.
All right. Yes, we're going to open fabric.
Yes.
It's going to happen. I've heard the cries of Nathan's fan club, Tech Guy's fan club. Okay, so we've got a gray floral. Ooh, this is cute. Look at that. Is this considered a blender because it's blending all the colors together?
I didn't know it was a term.
It is. I'm not 100% on the fabric design yet because I would love to design my own fabric, but I've not done that yet. And so I'm wondering if that's considered a blender. Okay, so we've got that, and it's like got orange peel kind of looks all over it. Then we've got the white floral.
Classy.
Classy. Look at the bunnies. You guys. Oh, the bunnies are absolutely adorable. I'm sorry, guys. We live right by an airport, and so there's a plane coming over, and you're probably going to be able to hear it. But look at that. That is so cute. All right. Look at the florals there. You know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to make a table runner or something and take this to Easter dinner for my mom. She will love this.
I think she will.
Look at that. It's not even, I can't tell if it's like a
dark navy or
is
black.
it navy or black?
Navy. It's like, well, comment below.
Oh, look at this. I have to open this one like all the way up because it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. The floral. Okay, this is so cute.
This is why we open up.
This is perfect for, you be quiet. This is perfect for Easter and springtime.
Love it.
And then the pale pink with the X's on it as well. Oh, these fabrics are seriously like beautiful. Beautiful for spring. And do you know what I like? I appreciate this. And I noticed this last month. Vicky sent this month, which is February, which is Valentine's Day. Yep. She sent Valentine's Day fabric last month in January. So you have time to make your project before the actual holiday.
How clever.
How clever. So in February, which is Valentine's Day, she sent spring fabric for next month so you can have time to make an Easter project or spring project before the time is up. That's awesome. Okay, so let's do a quick rundown. 8 fat quarters are $3 a piece and they are $24 value. The charm, which was the cute little quilter square, block, I'm sorry, $5.25. The white rickrack was $2.87. The FriXion Colorsticks is what this is. That is $2.18. The Washi Tape is $1.65, and the apron, oh my goodness, the Apron Pattern is $5. So your total for this box was $40.95.
And how much is it?
Plus, you either got a charm bracelet or a charm holder. The bracelet was worth $10.50, and the charm holder is worth $12. So ours was $50.45, and we would have paid $39.95 for this box.
Still a good deal.
Yeah, still a great deal. A great deal.
You're getting more out of what you're paying for.
Absolutely. I mean, you're getting like stuff for free, basically.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's so cool. And I love that we are supporting like such a small shop. And while yes, Vicky sends us these to review on our channel, like we're getting the word out there. So yes, we are still supporting her, which is of course great. Like we love to support each other in this business. This community is
That's what
amazing.
I was going to say. The community is phenomenal, and
yeah,
we've come
it's
across
absolutely amazing.
Wonderful people in the process.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us in the Hive today with the Creative Notions box. I love all the charms on the bracelet. Like they're so super cute. And Vicky just puts so much hard work into this.
And it shows.
It shows. Absolutely. I know for a fact that she's reading the comments down below, just like a lot of our other curators. And she wants to hear feedback. I mean, the good, the bad, the ugly. She is open to tailoring the box to what her subscribers would like. Absolutely. She wants to make sure that you're paying $40 for something that you really want to pay $40 for. Yeah. And so it's such a great deal. These subscription boxes are absolutely amazing.
And we do enjoy doing these.
Yeah, we do. Absolutely.
There isn't
absolutely.
I enjoy being a part of them. I know you are too. So
yeah, and I think everybody likes his opinion. He's not a quilter. And so he gives like a really fun opinion. I know he's got his own little fan club out there. So, all right. Well, thank you so much for joining us in the Hive today, and y'all have a great week.